Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get winter theme on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and as you can see, this is my current theme. The theme I have applied to my Samsung Galaxy phone, and I'm going to show you how we can get the winter theme and apply it to our Samsung Galaxy phone. You can go to your settings first, and then you're going to go to the Samsung Galaxy themes. You can select the themes menu right here, and then here you'll be able to get a lot of themes. If you want to get a specific theme, you can go to the search menu, and then you can search for the theme you want to apply to your phone. And since we want to get the winter theme, I'm going to type in winter as the keyword, and then the wallpapers, icons, or the AODs with the winter theme will appear, or you can immediately apply the themes to your Samsung Galaxy phone. You just need to select the theme that you like, and then you can apply it to your phone. And for instance, I'm going to apply the free theme. I'm gonna select this one, for example guys. You just need to click on download to download the theme, and then you can click on apply. Or actually guys, you can create custom theme. You can apply wallpaper, I mean the winter wallpaper, and then the winter icon. If you don't like the theme right here, you can go to the wallpaper and then select the winter wallpaper for your phone. I'm gonna select this one, click on download, and click on apply. I'm going to apply it to my phone, to my lock screen and home screen. Okay, and then this is the preview, and I'm going to click on done, and I'm going to apply winter icon to my phone. Okay, I'm going to go to the icon, and I'm going to select the winter icon. I'm going to choose this one, for example guys. Don't forget to click on download, and then click on apply to apply it to your Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, now the icon is being applied, and okay, this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get winter theme on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.